Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video is Sensex 1,50,000 by 2029. 4 reasons. One of the richest individual investors in India, Ramdev Agarwal, who is a co-founder of Motilal Oswal Financial Services, has predicted that the Sensex will touch 1,50,000 points by 2029. Ramdev Agarwal is a very famous investor. His net worth is around 12,000 crores. He has been an investor in Indian stock markets since 1979 and has seen the huge growth of Indian stock markets over the years. In an article in Economic Times newspaper, Ramdev Agarwal has explained reasons on why he expects Sensex to double in the next 5 years. Before that, I am going to give you the journey of Sensex. Sensex level was 100 in April 1979, 1000 in July 1990, 5000 in October 1999, 10,000 in February 2006, 20,000 December 2007, 30,000 April 2017, 40,000 May 2019, 50,000 January 2021, 60,000 September 2021, 70,000 December 2023 and 75,000 April 2024. So now the prediction is 2029, sometime in that year, 1,50,000 points for Sensex. CAGR of Sensex from 1979 to 2024, in April 1979 it was 100 points, April 2024 approximately 75,000, so CAGR for 45 years is 15.85% per annum. For the particular Sensex index to double in about 5 years, the average returns required is 14.87%. This means it is expected that the index itself will double in 5 years. You can imagine the appreciation in individual stocks in the same period. Usually, the individual stocks, if selected well, will give much more than the overall index. As per Ramdev Agarwal, the following are the reasons for the rise in Sensex in the future. Point number 1, Sensex index needs to appreciate by around 14.8% for the next 5 years to touch 1,50,000 mark. It is slightly lower than the long-term historical 45-year average appreciation of 15.85% for Sensex. So actually, even if it goes as per average, it will easily reach. Much below average also, it has a very good chance of reaching 1,50,000. Point number 2, India's corporate sector profit has compounded at almost 17% over the last 3 decades. It is reasonable to expect 15% growth in the profit over the coming future as well. If the current PE ratio continues for Sensex, then easily Sensex could touch 1,50,000 mark in the next 5 years. Point number 3, retail investors' participation in stock markets has significantly increased over the years. The growth has been very high since COVID. Around 11 crore new demat accounts have been opened in the last 4 years. The investment of such retail investors directly in stocks or indirectly in mutual funds will increase liquidity in Indian stock markets. Before COVID, the monthly average new demat account openings was 3.5 lakhs. Now it is in 2023-24 30 lakhs per month on an average. Total demat accounts in March 2020 was only 4.1 crores and now it is 15.1 crores in 2024. 2019 monthly SIP investment was 8,000 crores in total. Now in 2024 monthly retail investors are investing 19,000 crores. Point number 4. He believes that technology and digitization has helped Indian stock markets to grow at a high rate. Since every aspect of stock market investment is digital, from opening an account to investing to withdrawal into savings account after sale of shares, it is very easy for investors to start and manage their investments. Sensex index consists of 30 stocks. The CAGR of the index over the long term has been between 14 to 16% per annum. Nifty index average returns has been 12 to 14% per annum. But if you select good individual stocks and monitor them regularly, you can even expect between 15 to 25% per annum on an average in the long term. The question is whether you research and invest in the right stocks and hold for long term by managing the ups and downs of the market in the short term. We are in the golden age of Indian stock market history. Let us make sure to take full advantage of the benefits. Also, ensure that your close family and friends benefit from the magic of compounding. So always make sure you are guiding other people and making them more aware of investing. If you like this video, please click the like button. And do you think that Ramdev Agarwal's prediction will come true? If yes, in 5 years it will become 1,50,000 in Sensex, then type yes, otherwise type no. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.